Well, here we are, guys, with a 1-week collection and maybe some restocking. We'll be getting some new merchandise put up, so new designs, new things set out. So go check me out on YouTube or TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, leave your personal opinions. I don't care. All in all, it doesn't look too bad for a week. Yeah, it's good. Looks like brisk and we bear a little bit low. But this NOS is really low. Well, let's see what we got for a week. Hey, got a quarter left down here. Take it out of the return. Wow, not bad. Alright, let's check out the bills. See what we got. Alright, here we go. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright. Let's check out our coin levels and our coin acceptor and see if it's jammed. Oh, looks good. Alright. And again, like usual, I keep on forgetting my collection dish. Yeah, what the heck. Guess I'll just dump it out on the seat and I'll pick it up later. Yeah, it's not too bad for 1 week. I got some water and some more NOS energy drinks. Here. Put the bucket back in. And open the insulating door. Alright. Grab the NOS drinks. Sorry guys about the video quality. I forgot my camera stand this time around, so guess I have to make do with what I got. All the cans in here you put them with the cap toward the back of the machine. Yeah, and they're 2 cans deep right here. Yeah, that's what I have down here. Same thing. I do have a snack machine at this location, but they closed. And locked me out before I could get over here. Water. Water's 2 columns deep, just like that one. You have to help it back because it's stuck in itself. some reason in this location the white monster crates don't sell. I bought 8 of them, put them in here. I don't think I've even sold one of them. Water does pretty good. Gator does alright. I barely put the Brisk iced tea in here. And I still haven't got the label for it yet. I told the workers if it was all good. A couple of them came out here and got some bleach right after I told them. Should work. More bottles in here. Now where did I mess up? Looks good. Last one in. Take a look at it. Well, looks all like it's all good. Guess we'll call it good for this collection this time around. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I guess we'll see you around.